Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. On this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone. If you have Android or iOS, everything is going to be working well for you. Just go to the apps manager page. Go to the apps. Now here on this page, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just scroll down until you find WhatsApp like this. When you find it, just click on it. After you click on the WhatsApp, now this is the app informations page, as you can see. Just click here on force stop and then go down to the permissions and make sure that the microphone page or the microphone option is enabled. Go back and click on the data usage and make sure to enable all those options from here. Enable them and then go back and now reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.